Good morning, students. Today you are once again welcomed on this online classes, and I hope that you are keeping all precautions. You will be maintaining all precautions about the COVID-19. COVID-19 is not gone. The vaccine is coming very near, but you should keep on keeping or observing the precautions. As you know that when we precaution is only the cure in this disease. So even the vaccine comes, you are vaccinated, so don't forget to follow the SOPs, the guidelines. So in this lecture we would continue to discuss the Manohar Malgaonkar story, Upper Division Love. In my first lecture, I have given you an introduction about the author and the introduction of the story, that it is related with the film, a young clerk fascination with the famous heroine of the movie. Now, in this lecture, I will discuss in great detail the events of the story. The story is focused upon the small clerk fascinations towards the heroine Sundarbala. So it is only an imaginary name. Now you have other heroines of today's time, but the writer is recalling the past names. So the Sundarbala is the name of a heroine, and the upper division love, upper division clerk, the small clerk, was attracted towards her. There is a great gap of social status between them. He was only a small clerk and she was the famous heroine. The clerk was also enamored. Enamored means that he fall in love. Enamored means when you are strongly motivated or fascinated towards someone. Enamored with the smile of Sundarbala when he made face to face with her. In the market or somewhere, he got the chance to look face to face with the heroine, and the heroine passed a smile, and the small clerk was flattened. With that smile, he considers his action as a personal or reserved for him. The small clerk thought that the passing of the smile by the heroine was just for him. So he was deeply or passionately attracted towards her. This led him to the way of Super Gajaraj Film Company. So he keep on going to Super Gajaraj Film Company, where the shooting of the films takes place. At last his wish was fulfilled, and he got a job in a film in which the heroine of his dream was acting. Luckily, he got the chance in that film in which his heroine, the Sundarbala, was also working. But the luck was not in his favor. A small mistake, such as someone forgot to doctor the necklace. Now, how to doctor the necklace means the things in the films are artificial. There was a scene that someone has to pluck the necklace which the Sundarbala was wearing, but someone forgot to make it loose. So what happened when the hero pulled it? It was not easily pulled up, and it injured the neck of Sundarbala. So doctor means it had to be made loose so that it can easily be plugged, which he had to go tug and made angry with his dream. The heroine became very angry of this thing, that this mistake was committed. Later on, the hero of the film also bullied him, also attacked him, and struck a fist on his face. He could not bear the violence. He was totally upset by this kind of gesture, by this kind of treatment. But the laughter of Sundarbala broke him completely. When the hero bat him, struck him on his face, the heroine was laughing. The writer points out that what was given life by a smile was burnt by a laugh. That he was happy by his smile, but now everything was lost. In a series of humiliation, and this thing continued for a long time, in a series of humiliation, the clerk really realizes the futility of his passion. He realizes that his dreams are not going to fulfill. It fills his heart to take revenge. The feeling of revenge came in his heart. With the help of his friend Santokh Singh, he executed his plan. He made a plan to take revenge. Ramakant was the hero of that film in which Sundarbala was working. So he was shooting on a fugitive dress. Fugitive means the person who is run away from a prison, was a prisoner, and somehow he is running from that. He is breaking the jail and running away. He was in a fugitive dress, was inside the police van. He was not a real fugitive, but he was acting as a fugitive. And he was in a mobile van. The clerk wrote in bold letters, "Dangerous lunatic, keep away." He made a poster, and on that poster he wrote, "Dangerous lunatic." Lunatic means madman, keep away. This board was hung at the back of the van. It was left at the Bolero Theatre, where the charity show was organized. On the other hand, when Sundarbala does not reach the place, was not reached the place in the front row, he was invited. The hero and the heroine was invited for a charity show, and Sundarbala was waiting for the hero Ramakant to take him, but that small division, a small clerk made this kind of thing, that he put a poster on the van, and "Dangerous lunatic, keep away from him." So the hero was unable to reach the destination, and it also delayed Sundarbala. And due to this delay, her place was given to another heroine. It was an honor for her, but due to late, this place was given to another heroine, Shilamati, and the heroine was very much upset. So in this way, a small clerk was able to take revenge with his dream heroine. The end of the story reveals the futility of lower divisions clerk's aspirations. Aspiration means dreams, his desires. There is no barrier in love, but the social status make a lot of difference. Although there is no barrier in love, but it is also counted the social status. There is a lot of difference in appearance and reality. What does it mean? That what it looks, it doesn't mean that it really is. So there is a lot of difference between appearance and reality. But the clerk understood the gesture of the smile by the heroine as the acceptance of his love. Just the heroine was passing from somewhere, and luckily he was there, and the heroine passed a smile, and he misunderstood that this smile is reserved for him, and she is in love with him. The smiles of hero and heroines are mechanized. Hero and heroines are trained to pass on such kind of smiles to the fans, so that they keep on following them. So this is a part of their business. It is a professional thing to behave like that. They made many fans out of it through these gestures. Famous heroine or heroes increase their fan numbers in this way. The clerk misunderstood it The situation is very common for in our country, particularly in our country, because most of majority of the people are not educated, so they took it very seriously when the heroine or hero passes a smile, and they took it very seriously. So this also exposes the tendency of our community, of our country. It would certainly jolt the mind of youth who keep such kind of upper decimal law. So this story would shock them to behave in a sincere way, that they should not become foolish in this way, that if someone passes a smile and they consider it that it is reserved for them. So I think the story is very relevant in our context. It also gives a very strong message that we should not consider appearance as a reality. We should distinguish or make a difference between the reality and the appearance. So I hope that in our country, like the small division clerk, you will not be fascinated to any hero or heroines and become and behave rather irrationally or illogically, which is not accepted anywhere. I hope that you would enjoy the story when you read it.